Greetings to one and all. Today we will be discussing on the topic Surya Namaskara or the Sun Salutation pose. Surya Namaskara is a well-known yogic pose which was practiced since the ancient times and was later popularized to the world in 1920 by Bhavan Rao, the king of Aundh. So, Surya Namaskara is a combination of 12 poses which was practiced in a specific arrangement of forward and backward bending, stretching, balancing and rest. Surya Namaskar is also very well known for its beneficial effects on the body and the mind. So, let's start with the practices. First, we will stand in the sthiti where you have to stand straight and keep your hands near to your chest in Namaskara Mudra. Now, let's start with the prayer. Lead and follow. Hiranmayena patrena Satyasya pihitam mukham Tattvam pushanna pavrino Satya dharmaya dhushtayet. Now, let's start with the practice of Surya Namaskara. 1. Hasta Uttanasana. Lift your both hands up from your Namaskara Mudra. Stretch and touch your biceps to the ears and bend back from your lower back and maintain. Slowly come back, straighten your body up. After, we'll go for the next Padahastasana. Bend forward and try to bend completely down and make your hands touch the ground and your head onto the knees. Slowly take your right leg back and push your hip forward, arch your back and look up. That is Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Maintain. Now slowly take your left leg back and stay like a stick, which is known as Chaturanga Dandasana. Now slowly bend your both knees, touch on the ground and sit in your heels and let the hands be straight. Do not move your arms. That is Shashankasana. Slowly bend forward and lie down where your head, chest, both palms and both legs and knees are touching the ground. That is known as Ashtanga Namaskara. Now, slowly bend backwards after lifting your whole body up and arch your back completely and try to look backwards like a snake. That is known as Bhujangasana. Now, slowly lift your body up as a mountain triangle where you are looking your navel region after coming like a fountain. That is known as Parvatasana or Adhomukha Shvanasana. Now, slowly we'll go for again Shashankasana. Bend your knees and sit on your heels. Let the hands be rested straight. Again, now we'll go for Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Take your right leg forward and left leg straight, arch your back and push your hip forward, look up. Now slowly we'll go for Padahastasana. Take your left leg forward, straighten your legs, touch the head on the knees and palms on the ground. Now again slowly come back, straighten your body up as you came back. Now slowly bend backwards for Hasta Uttanasana. Now slowly come back. Now again take your hands in Namaskara Mudra. A few things to be noticed during the practice is once you have placed your arms and feet on the ground, you should not move them and do not bend your arms or legs during the whole practice. Now, the breathing, you have to inhale deeply while you bend backwards, and while you bend forward, you have to exhale completely, and you have to breathe normally in practices such as Ashtanga Namaskara and Shashankasana. Now, we will do the practice once more in a proper breathing pattern and in a faster pace. So, again come in Namaskara Mudra. We'll start the practice again. First, Hasta Utthanasana. Slowly come back. Go for Pada Hastasana. Now go for Ashwasanchalanasana. Look back properly. Now go for Chaturanga Dandasana. Left leg backwards, straighten like a stick. Now bend your knees, go for Shashankasana. Relax yourself. Now go for Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Your 8 limbs are touching on the ground, rest is up. Slowly go for Bhujangasana. Arch your back properly and see backwards. Slowly go for Parvatasana. Your heels are touching the ground and try to touch the head if possible. Slowly go for again Shashankasana. After resting, go for Ashwasanchalana. Take your right leg forward. Slowly go for Padahastasana. Take left leg also forward. Now slowly come back. Straighten your body up. Now go for Hasta Uttanasana. Bend backwards. Now slowly come to Namaskarasana. Now relax yourself. Other than 12-step variation of Surya Namaskara, there is a 10-step variation also where we'll be not doing the Shashankasana practice. So let's see the practice once more in 10-step variation. Come to Namaskara Mudra first. We'll start the practice. 1. Inhale and bend backwards. 2. Exhale and bend forward. 3. Right leg back. 4. Left leg back. 5. Lie down. 6. Bend backwards. 7. Take your hip forward. 8. 9. 10. Give a nice stretch. Now come back. 10. Now slowly come back to Namaskara Mudra. Now relax yourself. Now let's talk about the benefits of Surya Namaskara. Only 10 rounds of Surya Namaskara practice can burn up to 139 calories, which is equivalent to 2.5 kilometers of brisk walk. It is one of the best practice for core body strengthening and also to improve flexibility, mainly at the lower back. It also improves the metabolism and the blood circulation and also gastrointestinal system. It is very helpful to get a glowing skin and also to improve the skin tone. It also helps in reducing the body fat, and which is one of the best way of preventing heart diseases. It also improves the concentration and the sleep. And also for females, it is very best for ensuring a regular menstrual cycle. So these are the benefits of Surya Namaskara. Thank you all. With this, I am stopping the today's session. I hope you have understood the Surya Namaskara, and please share and subscribe our channel for more inputs. Thank you.